Hello there, my name is Gregory Badum, and this is Calculus 2, question number 2. So this question asks us to find the volume of a solid created by the following pieces of information. So we have y equals x squared plus 1, y equals 0, x equals 0, and x equals 1. And it's rotating about the y-axis. Okay, so from these pieces of information, what we're going to do is we're going to graph what we have here. And basically, we're just going to make a little, point right here. And it's going to go up. So this is going to be x squared plus 1. This is the function as it's going up. And it's going from 0 to 1 because those are the points that are given here. And now we are going to rotate it about the y-axis, so it's going to create this little shell. And basically, because it's creating this solid, we're going to use the shell method. So the shell method for finding the volume is basically when you're doing y-axis rotation, it's going to be the integral going from a to b, 2 pi x fx dx. So in this case, we're going to define our terms. So first term is going to be fx, and that's just going to be our line right here, x squared plus 1. And then we are going to define our a and b. So our a and our b are going to be 0 and 1. And the reason why is because those are the points that are given to us on the x-axis, and we are taking this little area right here. We're not taking the whole thing. So, and then we can just keep x the way it is. So we have 2 pi of the integral going from 0 to 1, x times x squared plus 1 dx. And then from this point, we are going to do u sub, and basically we're going to set our u as x squared plus 1, our du as 2x, and there's something really nice about this problem. So because we have a 2 outside of the function already, we are just going to bring it back in, and we are going to substitute that in for du, which is 2x dx. So it's going to take this dx and this 2 and this x, and it's going to all change into du, which is going to leave us with pi. Actually, these points are incorrect because we have changed or we changed our variables. I'll get to that in a sec. So we have u du, which is awesome, very nice. So basically, if we plug in our values, which is 0 and 1, we get 0 plus 1 equals 1, and 1 plus 1 equals 2. So we get the integral of pi going from 1 to 2 u du, which is going to translate to pi times u squared over 2, going from 1 to 2, and then if we plug in 2 and 1, we get 2 pi minus pi over 2, which is going to give us 3 pi over 2, which is our final answer. Thank you.